Okay. One of the things that interests me about indigenous knowledge and conversation about species is that many of the species are more often heard than seen because the forest cover in the Amazonian region is often dense, and so birds are much more often heard than seen. Frogs certainly are much more often heard than seen, and insects are more often heard than seen. And many of the names of the different species are cultural expressions of their sound. It's oftentimes when you hear the sound that the story is told. We just heard a little while ago the sound of the cicada. Zing, zing. That's the sound that the Erythrina popegiana and the Fabaceae family, the chuku, made when it was a human and it became a tree. It would take us a long time to go look for that cicada. We can't see it, but we can hear it. They're called sun mothers because when the sun comes out, they sing. Here it's been raining for weeks. It seems like now the sun is coming out a little bit and we hear zing, zing. And that would be the occasion for the telling of the story. And that's the way it is with so many of the Amazonian sounds. They are moments that evoke memory. To be awake and alert is when you hear these sounds to remember what they mean. It's oftentimes the sounds that are the mnemonic devices. The zing, zing would recall the origin of the chuku tree. The hoo, hoo, hoo in the afternoon would recall the origin of the whooping frog. Dime, dile mama chuku yura.
Chiga kaleri uras kachuku runa chaga. Chiga runa kam paiga ashka hinaja gunata churashaga aswasha chupiaka. Chi upi gashkaiga runataga ashka runata shipaiga kayaga. Chi kayashaga upi ashka chasna upisha paitia gashkai shipaiga. Nya nishkaya ñukaga kunanga mana runa chusakiringaron nishka ñukaga kunanga masti chukuruyami tukuy runa imashinata upiganawra chasallata ñukataga upiwangauna nigashka ñuka sisa tukusha shayarikpi chiga chasna nishanikpi chi shukunaga chi aswatu pingashamuk runakuna nishan mayta kanga kasna tukungi nishkana mana nishkay kunarikungi chiñuka tukushkaywi kanguna garikusha llakiringa nishka chasna nikpiga chiga chasna chiruna gunata payga ña aswata churashaga kayagashka chiga chasna kuynta nisha shuk punlla kayakpiga pay chiga payna paktamuy pariuka ñukaga tukunga ñuka jin nishkaypiga ñukataga tukuy chi masti ñukata imashinta ñuka runa ashkay upiganawra chasnallatami ñukaga ñuka jin nishkayga sisarisha shayasha nisha nishkay chiga payga chasna ña chirunaga chasna nikpiga cierto changaya nisha pay shamusharikupiga chasna tukusha shayarishka chuku chiga runa mandashi tukuga kashka chukuga runa shagashka nawra chasna nisha ñanchik pinchayta gracias.